That's real good. Hey everybody, welcome to our bathroom floor. Today my daughter Kira is helping me with this segment because she dropped an earring down the sinkhole, down the drain. We're going to try to fish it out today and teach her how to fish it out again in the future because this is not the first time that it's happened. Am I right? So, come in here, come a little closer, sweetie. This is a sink trap. This is what we're going to operate on today. This is the white part here. The water comes through the sink and it fills this up and then flows out. And this is to keep gases from coming up your sewer and up through your sinkhole because you don't want gases in your sinkhole. Am I right, Kira? What my hope is that her earring is somewhere trapped in the murky depths of this right here. This is actually called a pea trap. But there's no pea in it. It's pea because it's in the shape of a pea. So today we're going to take this apart and show you how you can save yourself tens of dollars of having to hire a plumber to come do something that's really simple.
Tens of dollars?
Tens of dollars. All right, so we need a bowl because when we open up this trap, it's going to leak a little bit. And it's a good idea to always turn off the water supply. Come on in, bud. Turn off the water supply so that you don't accidentally make another leak coming on. Check this out. There's a knuckle here, and a knuckle here. And they should, see, look how easy that is? They should only be like hand tight. This is designed so that it can come apart. Oh, all right, here we go. She's laughing at me. I'm gonna get my second arm in here.
Oh, God.
All right, are you good?
Yeah.
All right, so you can see as I start to get this loose, oh, there it goes. And just go slow with it if you're hoping to not make a big mess under your sink. Just about all of the drains under sinks are a variation of this, trap-wise, so your sink should be similar. Okay, look. I'm going to just bring this down slowly. Look how easy that was. And it's off. Can you see down in the bowl? Let's see if the earring's there. Aha! Whoa. Uh-huh. Does that look familiar? Is that a real diamond?
No, I wish it wasn't.
Is it a Neil diamond? If you want to take the opportunity to clean this trap out, look at that. There's crap in your trap. It's a good idea to take it and clean it. Should I clean it or should we just put it back the way it is?
Just put it back.
Let's just put it back because you're probably going to drop something again tomorrow.
That's mean. You're such a meanie head.
I still have the bowl under here because this could be a little drippy as we go. The first one I'm going to put back together is this one. Okay. I'll tell you too, Kira, when you have to do this next, this one on the left can be a little bit tricky because you're putting this thing back in the curve and it wants to jump off. Okay. So that's nice. I'm not going to tighten it all the way because now I'm going to do this one. It's up on this side. Oh, yeah. Okay, so just by hand tightening, like as tight as you would on like a peanut butter jar. We've filled this back up with water, the trap. We want to make sure it's not dripping anywhere, that we have these on nice and tight. Seems to be fine. Okay, it's leak-free, it's all back in place, and the jewelry is retrieved. Next time, Kira can do this all on her own. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Have a very nice day. I've been sitting here for so long. I'll take that. Now you're in it. Oh, you just laid in someone's pee spot, probably.
Ew, you're gross.